Hello guys, welcome back. It's the Layman's Lockpicker again, and we're back for the next instalment of the fun games that I'm having with this defu vertical key cutting machine. So I've decided, after the palaver we had last time with the previous attempt at cutting, what I'm going to do. You see, I've mounted just a flat piece of pot metal in the left hand side, the cutting side of the machine, and nothing at all in the source key side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now mount this piece here, which is one of the attachments that came with the kit, into the cutting side, and basically just pull it down on into the pot metal, in the hope of actually seeing what each one of the pieces does, just on a piece of scrap metal, so then I can then sort of get some sort of an idea as to what each of the attachments actually does, enable, and obviously therefore work from that to try and sort of ascertain which piece to use for which kind of key. So that's mounted up, everything else is lovely and tight, so here we go. So from the looks of it, that piece is potentially for doing like the sides of an internal laser track cut. So I'll dig out one of the other pieces, which in fact, now as it goes, I'm going to start with this one because I'm fairly sure what this one does. So, in fact, just out of curiosity, if you guys have a look there, I'm hoping that that's in frame because I can see shit all. And then put that back now. What we're now going to do is we're now going to attempt the same process with this piece here, which I'm fairly sure is just for a straight plain dimple cut. So again, if I loosen that out, drop that one out, and just to remind you, that was that piece there, which is the piece that's got like two half cutouts of it. There was a comment on one of my previous videos from somebody telling me that was something like it was for finishing, what was it, for doing a tail shaft on a lathe machine apparently, which yeah, if anybody would further like to enlighten me on exactly what a tail shaft is, that would also be appreciated. So now this is the second piece here. Let's try this one. Okay, so that's not liking that for some reason. Possibly a better idea maybe if we get just a blank, if we get just a blank key. Hang on, if I undo that and then bear with that, and then undo that, put just a blank key in sideways, bear with me. Solid in the machine, so it's not going to go anywhere. Right. Tighten up the safety on it and just give that a go actually into a blank key. Right now, as suspected, that is for just a straight dimple cut itself. Hang on. So then if we then try the final piece, which is this one here, which if you notice has got an almost drill-like turning on the end of it. So I'll put that in, turn that solid, right, and give that a go. this, as I initially suspected it might have been, is for cutting the track. Hang on, I'll give you a close up. Hopefully that'll be in frame again. The inner track of a laser cut. You see, there's you see here, right? It's cut all up. Obviously, from inside the warding on the key here. Obviously, I've cut it straight. Obviously, it's actually gone clean straight through the key there. But yeah, I think that was a productive trial. Anyway, guys, I'll see if I can chuck up a proper key, and yeah, I'll get back to you. It's been a layman's lockpicker. Thanks for staying with me on this, guys, because it's appreciated. Yeah, if you bear with me, I'll try and do that as quickly as, and hopefully get that uploaded as well.